Okay, I'm going to run through just this problem number 29 from the review. It says a bell-shaped data has a mean of 65 and a standard deviation of 3.4. So if this is 65, we know that one standard deviation away from the mean, you get 68% of the data. This is the empirical rule. 2 standard deviations away from the mean comprises of 95% of the data. And 3 standard deviations away from the mean comprises of 99.7% of the data. So if we have 65, we go 1 standard deviation away, we are adding 3.4 and subtracting 3.4 from 65. So those values should be 68.4. We add, and when we subtract, it would be 62.6. Oh, 61.6, excuse me. 65 minus 3.4. All right, and now if we subtract another 3.4, $58.2. And if we subtract another 3.4, $54.8. Likewise, we added 3.4, going up, add another 3.4, $71.8, add another 3.4, 75.2. So this is how you would do problem number 5. Thanks.